YouTube, what's up? It's your homie Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Now, I did really want to talk about Bitcoin actually, because Bitcoin's really sitting in kind of a really bad area right now. And not a lot of YouTubers are really talking about this. I feel like they're kind of like downplaying what's going on, but I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, as well as, you know, I want you guys to understand how I'm reading these charts and what you should be aware of, what you should be cautious of happening over the next couple days, over the next couple weeks, and bearish situations, as well as some bearish, as well as some bullish scenarios that we can hopefully look forward to. So again, I'm just being completely honest with you guys. We talked about Bitcoin being in a really key resistance range just a couple days ago, right before that big dump in the market. And now that we've just been trending sideways, this is not a good thing, just because on the 1 month you could see we're starting to create this bear flag right here. This is a very negative trend that is actually transpiring, which is kind of telling us that there may be more downside, as well as, of course, you know, this bottom resistance right here. We're kind of just like hanging in limbo right now. So we have a little bit of support at 42, but you know, hopefully we can hold that. I mean, we've touched a couple times, even way back here. 42 has just kind of been like a psychological barrier when it comes to Bitcoin. But at the same time, guys, we really more need to be careful of our stock to flow chart right now, because we need to make sure that we are still following the stock to flow. It's very important. It's something that a lot of people have been using to kind of track the growth of Bitcoin. And this has been a great tool over time. As you guys can see, every time we're pretty much in this yellow range right here, and then headed into a green range, it can end up being a situation where we are ended up into like a bear market, you know, and that's just kind of historically what's happened. We get into this yellow range and then it goes into a bear market, yellow range goes to bear market. And that's kind of like what we have going here. Like we're literally in limbo right now, because every time, look, we go out of orange also, every time we go from red to orange to yellow, we're about to reach a new all-time, we're reaching a new all-time high. And here, look, red, orange, yellow, you know what I mean? But same thing, red, orange, yellow, you know, but here we are, look, red, orange, and then look, our yellow is looking like more of an accumulation zone, possibly, hopefully, I really hope so. Accumulation zone would just mean that, of course, these whales are buying more in anticipation that this thing is going to keep going up. But again, we cannot ignore the fact that Bitcoin is sitting at some key resistance right now. I think to just completely ignore that fact is just, one, irresponsible as a trader. All these YouTube channels that are just trying to hype it up, you know, I do still believe in 100K Bitcoin, don't get me wrong. But at the same time, we need to make sure that we're protecting our behinds, because this is our money and we're not gambling. We do use technical indicators, and guys, guess what? You can make money on a bear trend too. So don't get so attached to the fact that these things are going bullish that you think that, you know, playing it safe, you know, as far as taking profits in some situations. Cause again, we were just talking about taking profits the past couple of days in some projects. So don't think that doing that is going to make you not long on Bitcoin. You can still buy the dip. Of course, that's what we do on the channel. We buy the dip. We believe in Bitcoin here. Obviously, you know, we're long on this. I'm still long on cryptocurrency. I'm very long on it. At the same time, guys, we have to pay attention to what's going on. We're going to cover it a lot more. We do need to see a more bullish trend reversal though, because a lot of things are pointing down for Bitcoin right now. That stock to flow model, the short term view. But even if you look at the all time, guys, look at this head, shoulder, or no, shoulder, head, shoulder, dump. And what does it look like we're creating right here, guys? Shoulder, head, shoulder, dump. That's a bearish situation. That's just called a head and shoulders. It's a bearish trend that we need to be careful of. At the same time, guys, we can make money on the way down. We just have to be able to time these markets correctly. I'm not saying Bitcoin is going into a bear market either. We are still looking okay. We're sitting again at some very key levels that need to be watched, and that's why I said in my last video that we're really going to be watching Bitcoin this week, just to see what it does. This week, in my opinion, guys, is going to be really make or break, but it just happens to feel like that's always the situation with Bitcoin, it feeling like it's a make or break situation. Even back here, it kind of, felt like a little bit uncertain. I mean, even right here though, we're still certain because we're still in an uptrend. Now we've kind of started to reverse this trend now. So we need to see something bullish in this situation. But what do you guys think? I want to know. Let me know in the comments below. Are you guys bearish on Bitcoin going into 2022, or are you bullish? Again, right now, I'm always bullish on Bitcoin because, I love cryptocurrency, and I see this thing going big places, and I see that the majority of people are not informed on it. And, once these people get informed, I do think that the price of Bitcoin will go up. But short term, guys, are we headed into a bear market? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.